So last week's news, we had the Middle East conflict and oil price volatility, ceasefire extensions. There's been more extensions to the ceasefire, but who knows exactly how much that's really going to happen. We have the Strait reopening and Brent crude falling below $100 per barrel, and then direct peace talks. So we do have some more, going and more momentum going on the peace talks and ceasefire. But again, let's see exactly how far that can go. Oil is still up though 48% in 59 days, right? Oil is still up 48% in 59 days. And at this level, I don't think it's good for the economy. I do think it has to go down eventually. But as you can see, oil went up 974%. Now, again, it was really low. This is from COVID, right? But it went up 974%, and S&P 500 went up 75%. Oil went down negative 54% from middle of 2022 all the way down to 2026. It went down 54%, and the S&P 500 went up 65%. So S&P 500 went up 70%, and it went up 65%. Oil went up 900. Oil went down 50. Essentially, the stock market's going to do what it's going to do. Yes, oil is up. Oil is up, and the stock market went down a little bit, and then now it's back up. The stock market is now going to kind of look a little bit past the oil price probably from here, but I do not think it can stay elevated at these levels. I do think it has to start making a move down in order for it to make progress with the stock market. Number two, we also have high growth tech and AI earnings last week. We had the chip sector surge. Intel announced their earnings and it went up 24%, and AMD surged 14%, even though they didn't announce any earnings. Then we have big tech investments. Google, they said they can invest $40 billion in the Anthropic, and then more AI demand. There's just more international markets, particularly South Korea. KOSPI were also boosted by strong earnings from chip suppliers. So it's just more to the AI section, right? So we have Intel, AMD both going up 23% on the week. And then lastly, for last week was Federal Reserve and economic indicators. Stable yields, the 10-year Treasury has been just stabilized. Powell probe resolution. The market uncertainty was reduced following news that the DOJ ended its criminal investigation into Jerome Powell. And then there's been mixed data. While the labor market remained historically healthy, preliminary reports suggest U.S. business output was beginning to improve after a stagnant March. So it's kind of just a mixed bag of stuff. Nothing great, nothing, bad really.